Yo, what is good? It's your boy, of course, and you're back with a new unboxing vid with me, of course. Yeah, I kind of missed last week's video, but loudly, but I'm back. I got more shit to unpack, unbox. I don't know why I said unpack, fuck. But anyways, so yeah, like I said, I always have so many packages, so I really don't know. So this package, yo, I kind of already opened it because I was a little too excited, but check me the stickers in here actually. So we have here the Pelican 1060 Supreme case. So as you can see right here, this initially was supposed to be for my pencil case, substitute as a pencil case, but yo, this shit massive, bro. This shit huge, bro, like huge. Anyways, yeah, this shit's fucking massive compared to, but yeah, this goes back. Supreme and Pelican have been collaborating for quite some time now. Like they did one last year and the year before that, but Pelican is actually a company that specializes in hard waterproof durability cases for your special belongings. So let's say your house gets flooded and you put your belongings here, passport, phones, or whatever and shit. Like they guarantee you that it will be secured. If not, you can return the product to them and you'll get your money back, 100% guaranteed. So yeah, so this is a pencil case. I'm gonna get roasted every time I pull this out. On God, like I already know. That ass, bro. Put it out of my bag, put it out. Everyone's gonna be fucking looking at me like, is this guy fucking serious? I'll be serious. Yeah. But you know, at the end of the day, I'm gonna still do me regardless. But yeah, this shit is very sturdy. It's hard plastic actually. About this Pelican case. This Pelican case is actually well known for their cases because they're very sturdy, waterproof, durable. Like this shit fucking can't break, I'm pretty sure. Like, let me look up on their website. 1 second. A little history class now about Pelican cases. Pelican cases. Pelican was founded in 1976 by Dave Parker and his wife Arlene in their Torrance, California garage. An avid scuba diver since age 11, Dave recognized the need for rugged flashlight and cases that wouldn't leak or fail, and set out to build a better product than any other on the market. Very interesting. So a scuba man, this pretty much. That's cool. Yo, this case like fucking high tech, that means, bro. I didn't even know that. Shit, this is too much to be a fucking pencil case, honestly. Well, I already have it now, so yeah, I really can't do much about it. But yeah, interesting. Very interesting. I actually did not know that. I learned something new today. I hope you all did too, about Pelican cases. But yeah, that's the brief history about Pelican cases and their purpose and all that shit. And Supreme's been making fucking collab cases with Pelicans. But yeah, last but not least, we got the Supreme parachute, man. Another free gift by Supreme. That was tragic. And last but not least, one more sticker, Mary J. Blige. At the back it says Supreme Real Love. This is a pretty neat sticker. I'm probably gonna keep it, honestly. But yeah, probably put it on my Mac or anything like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Once again, your Supreme 1060 case, National Pencil case. This cost me roughly 48 USD with shipping and handling included. I lied, 52 with shipping and handling included. Since you know, as I live in America now, I don't get that much tax and duties and all that shit. I feel for my Canadians, bro. It's fucking pain in the ass. But yeah, that's that for today's unboxing. Supreme 1060 case. If you really like are freaking paranoid about getting your shit like submerged or wet or getting lost or anything like that, you could buy this case, but it's a little too extra. I'm gonna get roasted. But yeah, I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna see how it goes with this pencil case. And yeah, that's all for today, folks. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and leave a comment down below on what should I unbox next. But my next upcoming unboxing, there's gonna be a little twist. The next one for sure, I'm gonna have a special guest. And the one after that is gonna be totally different from what I usually unbox. So stay tuned. See you guys soon.